Top 10 Essay Topics About Physical Therapy. The career of a physical therapist. Physical therapists are medical experts who handle cases of impairments, disability, immobility, or any other critical change in the body's physical function and health due to injury. Their job includes, but is not limited to, diagnosis procedures, assessments, evaluations, and conducting intervention duties to attain the highest functional results for every patient. In your paper, you can discuss the opportunities and challenges physiotherapists face in their careers. Physiotherapy in ancient Greece. It is believed that physiotherapy originated in ancient Greece thanks to such prominent doctors as Hippocrates and Galen. They were the first to practice physical therapy methods such as massage, manual therapy, and hydrotherapy. Plato also described the latter technique because the ancient Greeks noticed that natural hot springs were healing. In your paper, you could focus on the development of physical therapy in ancient Greece. The subfields of physical therapy. Physical therapy is a large body of knowledge that includes numerous subfields, such as cardiovascular and pulmonary rehabilitation, wound management, orthopedics, pediatrics, geriatric physical therapy, etc. While there are many types of physical therapy, the American Board of Physical Therapy Specialties lists 10 current specialist certifications. We invite you to discuss various physiotherapy subfields. The role of women in physical therapy. Since the early XX century, the topic of gender and profession has been an urgent problem for public discussion. The work of a physical therapist is one of the most socially important occupations worldwide. Research shows that physical therapy in the United States was initially composed almost entirely of women. The field currently remains about 75% female. In your paper, you can discuss women's role in its development. Telehealth and physical therapy. Telemedicine involves virtual contact with a doctor using an electronic communication platform. This form of treatment proves to be effective in various fields of medicine, including physiotherapy. How do telehealth interventions in delivering physical therapy services work to help patients analyze their outcomes and improve satisfaction? We invite you to discuss these questions. Neurorehabilitation techniques for stroke patients. Rehabilitation after a stroke requires an integrated approach. Neurorehabilitation methods include physiotherapy, occupational therapy, rehabilitation psychology, speech and swallowing therapy, etc. What is the efficacy of different neurorehabilitation approaches? In your paper, you can focus on the role of constraint-induced movement therapy or robotic-assisted training in improving motor function post-stroke. Balance training and fall prevention among older adults. Falls are one of the leading causes of injury among the elderly. Such injuries are especially hazardous for older adults due to slow recovery. Research shows that balance training can help improve posture, stability, and coordination. Balance and functional exercises reduce the incidence of falls by 24%. In your paper, you can investigate the effectiveness of various balance training protocols in reducing fall risks and enhancing stability in the elderly population. Effects of water therapy on rehabilitation outcomes. Aquatherapy has proven to be very effective in rehabilitation protocols after various injuries. Its effect is due to the hydrostatic pressure on the water on the body. This pressure increases circulation and reduces swelling, increasing joint mobility. We invite you to discuss the benefits of aquatic therapy in promoting mobility, strength, and pain relief, especially in patients with conditions affecting weight-bearing joints. The role of physical therapy in addressing developmental delays. Developmental delay is a widespread problem in modern medicine. Its many aspects are amenable to correction, and physiotherapy is one of the most effective ways to achieve this goal. In your paper, you could address the role of physical therapy in treating developmental delays in children, focusing on interventions to improve motor skills and quality of life. Physical therapy for cerebral palsy management. Cerebral palsy is the most common cause of motor failure in childhood. Children and adults with cerebral palsy can stay healthy and active with the right services and support. We invite you to explore various physical therapy approaches for managing cerebral palsy in children, focusing on gait improvement, mobility aids, and early interventions.